How to add WhatsApp chat button in Google Sites. So what you have to do to actually add a WhatsApp chat button is, let's say you have got a business WhatsApp account with a phone number. You have to get the link first of all for your WhatsApp account. Now WhatsApp itself does not offer that, so we will go to this website called create.wa.link, which will help us create WhatsApp links. So once we're here, we have to simply select our country and enter our phone number, whether it is a business or whatever else it is right there, right? So once you enter the phone number of your WhatsApp, whenever people click on the link that it creates, they will be redirected to your chat. You can click on the generate my wa.link option right here, and once that, it will create a link, and also it will go ahead and then create a QR code, whatever is your choice. I'll just select copy link for now. So once I've copied the WhatsApp short link that I created, I'll come to Google Sites and I will add a button. So right here, let's say I want to add a button. I'll simply add a button. Now in the name, I will simply type in chat with us on WhatsApp, right? So once I've added this, I will go ahead and paste the link that I just copied. And once I've done that, I'll click on the insert button. Now this is how the link is actually currently looking like. I can just increase or decrease the size, and now I can go ahead and then even choose the color for this, right? So just go ahead and do whatever else it is that you prefer. If I want it to be green because WhatsApp is basically in a green color, I can go ahead and select that as well. But obviously it is your own choice. You can go ahead and fill out and style with whatever colors that it is that you want to, and you can add it in a carousel or whatever else it is that you want to. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.